What's going on, guys? This is Mr. Jones coming at you once again. I'm going to go over the ready, set, go really quick, but not the whole thing, because part of it is just like what we did 2 days ago. So the entire ready, set, go is going to be due. This first section is just graphing linear equations. They're all in slope-intercept form, aka y equals mx plus b form. So I know the axes are kind of hard to see. So this right here is going to be our y-axis, and our x-axis is this line right here. So x, y, and our 0, 0 looks like it's right there. I'm just going to put a big old fat dot there so we know where we're starting. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and graph these two lines. So remember, this is my slope. This is my y-intercept. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -7 is my y-intercept. And my slope, in that case, m equals 2 over 1. Rise of 2, run of 1. So I can go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and then you're going to draw a line. It's really difficult on here to make a nice straight line, but you're going to draw one. Okay, don't use Cami for graphing, guys. It's horrible. It's probably more horrible than what I'm trying to do. All right, so that is my f of x in blue. In orange, maybe. Oh, there we go. Let's do this. In orange, we're going to do -4x plus 5. So 5 is my y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And -4 over 1 means that my slope is going to go down the other way. So down 4, right 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 2, 3, 4 over 1. And basically you can see now, okay, there's my line. But the question is, where do the points intersect? And hopefully you realize it's right here where there was a dot on both. And that's 2, what is that? 2, -3. So 2, -3. Just going to put the coordinates where the two lines cross. So if you're confused deeper than that on graphing a line, I would literally look up on YouTube, if this is not enough, how to graph a line using slope-intercept form. If you type that in YouTube or Google, there are going to be plenty of videos. People can show you different ways. But basically, you're just going to plot the y-intercept and then use the rise over run to make one more dot, and then you make a line that's forever long. And then you're going to have, in this case, two lines that cross each other. So all four of these problems look just like that. All right. Let's see if I can move my mouse. Not really sure what's going on here. So 1 sec, so I can make this go down. Okay, so this next section, 7, 8, and 9, is just like the last task. You're going to look at all three of these, and you're going to find the increasing, decreasing, minimum, maximum, all 8 of those things for each of these three problems. There's a couple adjustments I do want you to make. Okay, on problem 8, only I can draw on this. No. On problem 8, at the very top where my mouse is, just go ahead and put an arrow. And there is an arrow over here on the right. So make sure you have that. Okay, on these ones, let's go ahead and just also put an arrow. So arrow on both sides of the graph on number 9, arrow on both sides of the graph on number 8, and then answer those questions accordingly. Okay? All right, last but not least, we have 3.2. It just wants an explicit and recursive equation. Sounds like some stuff we did last chapter, right? So we should be able to look at them and realize, okay, go back to the 0th term. So for example, on that first one, the table looks like this. Okay, go back to the 0th term and figure out what it is so you can give me the equation. Also, be careful. Look at number 12. It goes 0, 2, 3. You're going to have to figure out what that first term is. Okay, based on what's going on. So you might want to rewrite your table because most of you guys write this on paper. I don't know why I put a 0 there. So you're going to write a table, and I would say, okay, 0, -13, 1 blank, 2, -5, 3, -1, and then go ahead and figure out what that is, and then you'll be able to write the equations. Same thing with number 13, 14. Okay, there's just some tricks like that. But we all should know how to write explicit and recursive for arithmetic or geometric. All right, other than that, guys, we're all set. That's the entire worksheet, only a 5.5 minute video. So let us know if you have any questions. Bye.